Well, you guys, today has turned into new tool day. I hope that this works.
We're Jalen and Daniella, and in May of 2022, we decided to sell our things, buy a school bus, and build it out to be the traveling home of our dreams. Since January of 2023, we've been traveling the United States, experiencing amazing eats, killer views, and meeting other creative beings. We invite you to hop on the cream-based bus and make memories with us that will last a lifetime.
Hello from wherever you are in the world. Thanks for watching. Today we are headed out of Delaware. We've been here for just a couple days. As of right now, we're about 8 hours driving in a normal car from Wilmington. Along the way, we'll be making a couple stops so that we can not do it all at once. So let's gas up and let's go.
We made it about as far as the gas station, gassed up just like Jalen said we would, and then when we went to turn out of the parking lot, our signal shifter completely broke off. So we're still in Delaware, needless to say. We met this really great guy who drives a truck. He just so happened to pull out of his truck when we were sitting there talking about what to do. He also has a Skoolie he's building out with his family, so he came in, checked things out. Theirs isn't built yet, so it was really cool for him to step inside of one that's done. But he gave us a recommendation for a potential welder to put this back on. We did not feel comfortable driving 2 hours without a turn signal at all because we're such a huge vehicle. It's kind of very important, I think. So we're gonna head over to the welder spot this morning. We slept at Planet Fitness and hopefully he can put this back on for us. Has this happened to anyone else?
So the muffler shop said that they do not do aluminum welding, and I asked them if they know anybody, and they said no. So the day has turned into new tool day. I hope that this works. Since it's aluminum, the shop that we went to said that they could not weld it. Really our best bet of fixing it is going to be trying to solder it back together. It might work, and if it does, I'd love for it to work, and also just enough to where we can unscrew it at some point and replace it with a new one. I'm very tired. I need coffee. Soldering pin. Little stand that doesn't look great so that we don't burn ourselves. So I put it down. And some aluminum. That should do it. We tried a couple different things. The soldering immediately we realized was not going to work. We couldn't get the pin into the same place as this and solder in at the same time. So we looked it up and somebody tried drilling out the piece. So we tried that. We tried drilling it out. When we got in, it locked into that piece and spun the threads all the way through. But the threads are now open. So now that they're open, we're going to try to rethread this. If we can rethread this, we can return all these tools, get our money back, and we did a free job. It'd be great. This piece and the piece that it connects to, the actual column that it connects to, is $200. So if we can stay away from buying any more stuff, that would be great. So it opens up here, and then you put it in and tighten it down. Threading it. Vice grips, that was our last tool. Coming in handy. Now it's a little bit shorter, so it'll be stronger than it was before, too.
Awesome.
Please work. Please work. This would be the easiest fix. I cracked it. Again. So we're gonna undrill this one again. Try to pull it out. Soft ass metal. Nope. No, it's literally stuck in there. I'd call this kind of a success. We tried a few different things, but in the end, I decided, okay, so rethreading it snapped because it's really soft aluminum. What if I tried to thread the actual steel piece that threads into, and I started to rethread it, and the drill bit that rethreads got stuck inside of there. And then I realized that's our new turn signal handle. So the piece that was designed to rethread it is now stuck in there, and it's literally just, it works. So whatever. It's now, instead of a soft aluminum piece that's very long, it's a short steel piece, so it should never ever break or fall out ever again. So there we go. Problem solved. Let's get back on the road. We're headed to it's called like Poor Man Farm or something. It literally was just like a little park in the middle of nowhere, really large gravel lot where, just in case, we can run our generator tonight and recharge our batteries to 100. So we didn't lose any time. It's about 3 hours from here. It's going to be probably about 4 for us, just being in a bigger rig. That'll put us roughly 5 hours away from Wilmington, North Carolina. So let's get it. Let's get back. Man, you guys, just went on a crazy bike ride. Make sure I'm recording here. All right. We are at Poor Man's Farm or something like that. It is a park in Virginia, and I'm so glad to be here and be outside. I've got a hammock and my e-bike, and I'm gonna go for a ride, try to find a place to park myself and take a nap because I am very caffeinated and I need to come down a little bit. But this place is gorgeous. Giant field. Let's ride. This spot looks nice and quiet. I can get my bike down there, or I could leave it up here, I guess. I'll just go check it out. This amphitheater is pretty cool. Kind of just in the middle of nowhere. I bet it sounds great. Perfect. That tree and that tree. Looks like a great nap spot. Vibe. Alright, so we are in Virginia right now. We're probably about 30 minutes out north of Richmond in a little small town. This park has been awesome to us. I took a nap in a hammock. I went on miles of off-roading bike riding on these trails, and we got some work done. But now it's time for us to head out of here, and we're gonna see how far we can make it today. We're cutting it really close. I really wanted to make it to Wilmington by Friday night. Both of my brothers have games Friday and Saturday night, one for contact football and the other one for some baseball, and I really wanted to make it there for both of them. Right now I'm getting the bus ready to go. Daniella's finishing up her day on the job, and I'm ready to start booking it. I've got a little coffee left in the fridge. I'm definitely going to chug that, and let's get it. Went on our last burn at this awesome park. Really zip zooming around here. It's been awesome. Now it's time to head on. Wilmington, here we come. Let's get these bikes inside.
Get out of
Can you pop
here.
that? Me?
I don't want to go.
What do you mean?
I love this spot.
It's a great spot, yeah. It's been really good to us. We were worried last night, some hooligans, some youngins came and were hooping and hollering last night. We were terribly afraid they were going to ruin the spot for us, like the people doing burnouts at our last spot. So we were like, oh man, do we get ready to go again? But it was awesome, super quiet, great space, tons of different little hikes and stuff all over the place.
They even have a dumpster right on site for all our trash. We haven't made it very far because there was a closure on the highway.
That's what it was,
We're
2 hours.
gassing up.
Almost halfway there.
Okay, I'm antsy though, and like a lot of energy when I get it out.
Oh, gotta stop at 42
All right,
gallons.
42 gallons, $179.80. What do you guys think about that price range? Gas is rent, remember?
Gas is rent.
So cheap.
So cheap.
Good morning. It is Friday, October 27th. And we have made it to Wilmington. Jalen drove last night till about like 1:30 in the morning. It is almost 1:30 a.m. This drive has taken a lot longer than anticipated with road closures, and then we stopped to eat. But we're almost there. I think we've got like 10 minutes left, and I'm so tired, and I can only imagine that Jalen is as well. We parked at a Walmart, so that's where we're at currently, and we'll spend the day here working, and then we're gonna go stay at a campground for the next 2 days. It was a really long drive. I think we're both exhausted, and we are here to surprise Jalen's dad and his siblings. We're gonna go to some of his siblings' last baseball and football games tonight and tomorrow, and just surprise his family with the visit, and they've never seen the bus, so it'll be a whole thing. We have made it to our campground for the weekend, which feels super luxurious to just be in one spot, be able to relax, fill up our water even though we don't need it, plug in even though we don't need it. Just be here. It's a beautiful spot in North Carolina, and we're making some ramen before we head over to the baseball game that we're going to see.
We grow that chive to be monster chive. Biggest chive.
Wow, look at the moon.
Let's go moon.
Hello. For those of you that are new to our channel, we're Daniella and Jalen.
Hey.
And we live in this 36-foot self-converted school bus with our 3 cats. If you're new here, we post a lot of vlog stuff, some Skoolie builds, and definitely check out our channel, like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos.
We're going to my brother's baseball game tonight, and then my other brother's football game tomorrow night. But my dad just showed up to pick us up from the RV park. You want to be on the YouTube?
Want to hop in our YouTube?
This is Draven.
Hey.
Hey. You want to say anything to the YouTube before your game?
All right, what you got to say? This is Landon.
Hey.
Hi. Come on, get in the YouTube.
I went to the Little League World Series.
This is my dad.
Hey, what's going on out there, YouTube world?
All right, let's get out of here.
Guys,
Let's do it.
Go.
I'm not wearing the best shoes.
This little guy was terrible on his walk today. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Where are you going?
I try to make it less cluttered.
Oh, that was so cute. That was so cute.
Camping out.
Camping out.
Camping out.
Delicious.
We're definitely carnivores tonight.
I have it. Dipped it in the charcoal.
Where's that?
Yesterday you saw us at the baseball game, and today it's football time.
You stay in the game and you're hurting the whole team. Okay, fellas? We will work on it.
Very cool. We've got one more day at the RV park. It's Sunday and we go back to work tomorrow, so I'm set up in the front trying to make some tunes for our YouTube. All the cats are chilling. We've cleaned the bus with Draven and Landon. And Daniella is in the back here being super frustrated as well. She hasn't sewed in a long time and now she's trying to get back in the groove of sewing. Finished up a couple of our last curtains on this side over here. How's it going?
Terrible.
Terrible.
Terrible.